This is just what it looks like once you have it hooked up. Just make sure you pair them correctly. Alright guys, and welcome back to my channel where we do reviews on all sorts of cool Amazon products. We do reviews on hotels and even ways to make money online programs. But today we're going to go ahead and do a review on my new portable jump starter. I do want to say thank you to the company for sending it out for review, so let's check it out. These are definitely handy to have in all your cars. You got your user manual right here. This one also does come with the air compressor. Here are the cables for the jump starter. Type-C to keep it charged up. And then the different accessories for the air compressor. You can actually check it out. Damn, check that out. Very nice size. All right, so it's gonna actually turn it on. You got your power switch right here. All right, so we'll go ahead and switch it on. And then if you hit OK, you can see there is a little battery icon here letting you know that it is on. And then if we hit this M, it'll let you know this is for the air compressor mode. So it's got the vehicle there, it's got a motorcycle, bicycle, basketball. So just depending on what you're trying to inflate. So if we were to try to actually inflate something, you'd want to hook it up down here. We'll turn this right here, so you'd hook it up. Just like that. So let's go ahead and hit mode. Let's hit OK. Ready to go. There we go, turned it right off. But so you can see, it'll let you know the PSI is right there. All right, and then we're just gonna go ahead and try to use this to inflate our football here, just so you can kind of see it in action. So let's go ahead and try it out. So we're gonna go ahead and set it to the ball option and hit OK. So you can see, a lot better. So as you can see, it's super easy to use. You could use, like I said, on your tires, on this, on your bike tires or anything like that. So, and then if we wanted to do the actual jump starter, we're gonna go ahead and remove this little slot right here. We'll plug this in. This turns on. See it? Yep, there we go. Letting you know it is ready to go. So then now all you would have to do, this is just what it looks like once you have it hooked up. Just make sure you pair them correctly. And it's literally ready to go to jumpstart. Unfortunately, I don't have any dead battery at the moment, but it's literally as simple as that. Once it's hooked up on there, you can just jumpstart it and it'll fire right up. So one of the other cool features that it has is it also has a flashlight right here. We'll use this light to turn it on. There we go. So this can come in handy, especially if you're working on something late at night and you're trying to see something in your vehicle. This will definitely come in handy. And then the last thing that I'll say is it also does serve as a power bank. So let's go and actually test this one out. It does use this USB right here. We'll go ahead and actually plug this in. Let's go ahead and actually try it out. And as you can see, there it is, letting you know that it is being charged. So super cool, especially if your phone's dying, iPad's dying, anything like that. You can definitely use this as a portable charger as well. So if you guys found this video useful, make sure you guys like and subscribe. It definitely helps out the channel. But if you guys are looking for a new portable jump starter, definitely look into this one. I'm gonna leave the link in the description so y'all can get yours. Highly recommend.